You guys, welcome back. Wishing you a year full of good health, happiness, and self-fulfillment this Songkran. Today I'll be making Drunken Noodles, a savory, sweet, and aromatic stir-fry noodle dish. Let's get started. Drunken noodles are known as Kee Mao. It doesn't actually contain any alcohol, but it's great as a hangover meal, hence its name. It's super aromatic and spicy, sure to sober you up. Separate the stems from the leaves, since the stems require a bit more time to cook. For some aromatics, smash up garlic and red chilies together. And young green peppercorn, which can be found jarred in brine in the pickled section of your local Asian grocery store, and Fingerroot Rhizome. Cut these into manageable sizes. And also basil. Holy basil is traditionally used, but Italian or Thai basil will work just fine. For the sauce, in goes oyster sauce, then soy sauce, Golden Mountain seasoning sauce, fish sauce, Thai black soy sauce, and sugar. Be mindful of the saltiness of the brands that you use. Taste and adjust to your preference. We'll need fresh white rice noodles. Be sure to separate each noodle. And for protein, I'm using shrimp and scallops, but feel free to use whatever and however much you like. On medium-high heat, let's cook up the protein first. Once cooked, scoop them out and set aside. You can either reuse the oil or swap for new oil. If reusing, remove all the scum and crispy bits. On medium-high heat, in goes the garlic and red chilies, young green peppercorn and fingerroot. Give it a moment for the flavors to activate. It's smelling incredibly fragrant in here. In goes the Chinese broccoli stems first, since they take longer to cook. Once the stems are a bit tender, a bit more oil, followed by the wide rice noodles. In goes the sauce. Mix it all well, heat the noodles and allow them to soften up and become slightly translucent. Add in the Chinese broccoli leaves. Back in, the protein goes. Mix well. And lastly, the basil. Stir for about 30 seconds and shut off the heat. This will wilt the basil just enough without turning them black and allow them to infuse their flavor and aroma into the noodles. Here we have it, Pad Kee Mao. You can smell the aroma of all of the herbs and spices used. A balance of sweet and salty and super fragrant. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit that like button and I'll see you all in the next video. Be safe, everyone.